centralized Microsoft Office and web-based planning, budgeting, and forecasting solution, which is part of Oracle's Hyperion Enterprise Performance Management (EPM) software suite. Planning is built on Essbase, which is a multi-dimensional database product where data is stored. It has a powerful calculation engine and slicing and dicing analytical capabilities. The relational database end holds the metadata, textual data, and other components of planning. Planning allows for flexible modeling, which can address different planning requirements across various industries, such as revenue or sales planning, full income statement planning, balance sheet cash flow planning, workforce planning, capital planning, and rolling forecasts. It also allows for powerful work reporting and analysis, data entry and task lists, business rules, approvals process, and security. You can make the end-user process as easy as possible with task lists. Budgeting and forecasting often requires users to perform multiple activities or tasks to complete the process. Task list guides users through that planning process and tracks the status of each task. It lists tasks to be completed with instructions and due dates. You can view the status of the task list displayed in pie chart or Gantt chart. From a task, you can perform many actions such as opening a data form, launching a rule, copying a version, opening a document report stored in Workspace, which is similar to the Windows Explorer version of what's in the EPM suite, or a website from a URL. And best of all, it's fairly easy to create and build task lists. You can define standard data forms for user entry, which can have rules tied to them, which run when user saves on the form. Data forms can go across tabs. You can put in text, and you can see the row is grayed out when it's read-only. You can also capture changes done on a cell. It's an audit trail of who and when made that change, what the old value was, and what the new value is. There's also traffic lighting and data-driven validations that you can apply. And the data validation message displays onto the right pane. You can have right-click menus applied to your data forms, which can perform actions such as navigating to another data form, or launching a rule to add a new entry to a form, such as, in this case, a project. You can insert comments within a cell as well. And you can also build charts and graphs in data forms. SmartView is a comprehensive tool for accessing and integrating Hyperion Planning and other EPM and BI content from Microsoft Office products. Both data forms and task lists can be accessible using SmartView through Excel. It displays similar to how it looks on the web. You can also perform ad hoc analysis, which is slicing and dicing of your data in SmartView. From an administrator perspective, metadata maintenance and planning has become much more simpler to do now. As an administrator, you can export and import metadata and data with just a few clicks from the planning interface. You can also perform metadata maintenance from SmartView once you install the Planning Admin extension, which can be downloaded from the Tools menu in Workspace. There's also a feature to map data from a planning application to another application very easily. So why Hyperion Planning? It's a user-friendly, web-based budgeting and planning solution that drives budgeting and forecasting best practices. Keep it flexible, keep it continuous, centralize the planning process, enable with technology, allow for scenario and what-if planning, and driver-based planning. Planning also drives collaboration and communication, consistency across the organization, a streamlined, efficient planning process by way of task lists and standard data forms, timely, accurate budget data by having driver-based models, Accountability on managers owning the budget they input in planning. Integration with existing applications and technologies. Immediate reporting analysis, which oftentimes Hyperion Financial Reporting is used to build presentable reports. Better decision making and a single source of the truth. So can you see how Hyperion Planning can help your organization to achieve these and